Hello friends, welcome to our channel Electrical Everywhere. In today's video, we will see how to open these Gnter sealed speakers and how to repair these speakers. So let's begin with the video. Friends, these are my Gnter computer speakers. Aux and sound wires of these are broken, so today we will change these wires. As you can see, the speakers are totally sealed, so let's try to open this. To open the speakers, we will need a screwdriver. I had already opened this one speaker before. As the speaker manufacturer had sealed these speakers with glue, so we have to open these speakers with some extra efforts. I am trying to open this with somewhat large screwdriver. Now this speaker cover is removed, so we will also remove screws of speaker. Then we will see what is inside this. Here the speaker having good magnet. Now we will remove the speaker wires. I don't know you can observe or not, wires are stuck inside with the hot glue. We will open this one speaker also, and then we will remove the wires. We will try to remove this wire with hot glue gun. Now wires have came off, so we will remove this wire and join new wires to it. Let's begin with desoldering these wires. Now the wires are removed, so we will join new wires here. Now we will solder this wire to speakers. Now wire is soldered, so we have to fix this with hot glue gun, and then we will also screw up the speakers with its box. Speakers are on its place, and now also attach the cover to it. Now fix another speaker as same as this speaker. Now our both speakers are ready to be connected with its little amplifier. This is the little amplifier who powers the speaker. Now we will connect the wires from speakers with the amplifier. Always connect the positive wire with the positive and negative wire with the negative. Now apply insulating tape so wires will not get short circuited. Now the insulation tape is fixed. Only the thing remaining now is to connect the aux pin, which we will use to connect the speakers with mobile or computer. Here are 3 wires which we will need to connect in right manner. Here you can see how I have connected these wires. Now apply insulation tape to this also. Now our speakers are ready to play the music. So let's play some music over this. These speakers works with 5 volt DC supply. So we will connect this with our 5 volt charger. You can see our circuit is on now. Now connect aux cable with the mobile and listen some music. See, our speakers are now got on and also playing the music nicely, and it's also sounding very good. If you liked our video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Electrical Everywhere. See you all in our next video again.